In this video, I'll show you how to install ScriptHook and ASI Loader for GTA 4, which are required to run most mods properly in 2026. Check my video description for this link. Select the start download option and the mod will start download. I'll go on zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this mod folder. Close stuff here. I'll click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before boarding your GTA 4, back up your game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, drop all these files inside. And we have successfully installed the ScriptHook and ASI Loader in the web game. Now you can launch the game. The game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helps you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.